Like I've seen after assembling this machine and the polypalation, so we have our wonderful loader. It's a better one. It is a massive bucket with 3-meter cube. With one it is loaded 100%, but it has a capacity of loading 110%. So if you loaded it at 110%, you will get 3.3 meter cube. This is good one. You see, this is specification for this loader, this bucket loader. It is good one, well fixed, genuine tires with enough air pressure. It is good, of course. It has long life tires. This is a massive one, a genuine one. So it is equipped with hydraulic tank. On that side, it is equipped with transmission levels. It is a very good one. It's light in weight. It's not a big one. It's almost 16 tons. It's a good one, you know. It has big counterweight that can resist, and it has strong batteries. Good one, resistant. Have a fuel tank. It's enough to work day and night. This is good. It's a good one. And it has deal with its operation. It has a good dashboard that can show you temperature, coolant temperature, transmission oil temperature, battery voltage, fuel level. We have a parking switch, we have a shut-off switch. It has a good radio for music. We have a key switch. We have high speed and low speed. High speed, low torque, low speed, high torque. Because our loader sometimes it is working on the angle. It is supposed if you're on a slope, you put in this direction. Once you are on a good surface, flat surface, you remove the switch. You have air conditioning. This is for compressor. This is for adjusting AC according to the weather. If you can use the hot or cold according to our weather. Have our switch. We have right switch, wiper switch, everything, and we have our level. This is the one that using that front bucket. So let us start, and then we'll see how it works. First, if you put this in the on position, dashboard, it mark on dashboard, and then you make sure your safety level is in neutral. Have a neutral, reverse 1, reverse 2, F1, F2, and then we start. Once you start, you have to be sure that your battery is charging, coolant temperature is good, transmission temperature is good, and then you wait a bit to be sure your engine is running smoothly. And then put air AC. adjust your air conditioning. Make sure this condenser light is on. If it's not on, AC can't work. For sure, it's it's a massive one. To have a good air conditioning, to have everything. So have to adjust your mirror so that you are behind. You have to adjust your side mirror off. And then if you want to start to use it, this level is working with that bucket. So if I do like this, if I push this direction, that bucket goes up. If I push down, the bucket goes down. Like this I push up, like this I push down. Left side I unload, left side I load, right side unload. It's good. Functioning, operating principle is good. And I take your level. This is the level on the front. That is on the level. They are going to drive it. Have to adjust your brake pedal, this accelerator pedal, and the black pedal. And then you make sure this is for F1, F2. F1 is for forward number 1, F2 for number 2, R1 reverse number 1, R2 reverse number 2. So enjoy the digital of Caterpillar. This is a very good one. So for next video you will see the operating principle of that our next machine. You see the big bulldozer 824. Don't set to ask us anything. We are the dealer of everything. You have a massive machine that we're dealing with, so that this is a good one. So thank you for watching, and see you by next.